Leo brought the parts for a large and powerful locomotive. We'll assemble it now.
Leo the Inquisitive truck, curious.
This is a
and
great
upbeat.
platform.
In his truck that he brings many colored parts.
We'll attach wheels to it.
Leo the Inquisitive truck, he has come again to help us. With his help, now we can build a brand new car. Leo the truck.
A spacious cabin.
Melons,
It will house the control panel.
potatoes. Lifty filled all the cars of the blue train.
The windows and doors.
The train leaves. It's carrying a submarine. Tractor. Bowling pins.
A
Milk.
compartment for the diesel engine. And the
Hey.
engine.
Watermelons and vegetables.
Stairs and fuel tanks. The headlight and lights.
Oh, it's so difficult for the train to climb the hill. The blue steam train can't carry such a heavy load. The train stops and rolls back down the hill.
The last parts are in place. The locomotive is
What
ready.
do we do?
Time to disconnect the blue steam train from the cars.
Robot, do you know? Hi,
Let's
Leo
place
the
the
truck.
locomotive.
Will you help us?